this video, I will show you how to turn off autoplay on YouTube. So let's jump straight into it. So to do this, all you need to do is first of all, open up the YouTube app on your device. Now, once you've done that, you want to make sure you're logged into the right account, that you want to turn off autoplay full. And then what you want to do is come down to the bottom right hand corner and press onto the new profile icon picture. This is going to take you across to your YouTube profile page. From here, what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and click onto the gear icon to go into your settings. From your settings, what you want to do is scroll down slightly to the video and audio preferences section, and in here you're going to see an option for playback. What you want to do is press onto playback. And on the playback screen, if you look at the very top, you can see there's an option to autoplay next video. So if this is turned on, all you need to do is simply turn the switch off like so. And that's going to go ahead and turn off autoplay on YouTube and stop YouTube videos from autoplaying. So that is how to turn off autoplay on YouTube. With that being said, if this quick tutorial did help you out today, then I would really appreciate it if you was to consider leaving a like on the video and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.